How to cut out an object in Gimp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a background in Gimp and save your image with transparency. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Gimp app on your phone. And here, once you have opened it, simply select the image that you want to work with. And to make the background transparent, simply go to the top menu and simply click on Layer. And after that, on the drop down menu, simply click on Transparency, and after that, click on Add Alpha Channel. This step is crucial for transparency. And once you have selected it, now choose the free select tool from the toolbox. And after that, you can simply click and drag around the area that you want to keep. But be sure to loop it back to your starting point and click to close the selection. And after that, you can simply go to the select, and from the drop down menu you can simply click on invert, and this will switch the selection to everything outside of the area you have just outlined. And after that, you can just press Ctrl plus X on your keyboard and boom, the background is gone. And now here, to keep the transparency, you can go to the file, and from the drop down menu you can simply click on export as and choose PNG format and hit export, and that's it. Now you have successfully removed the background and saved your image with transparency in Gimp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.